Hello, in this video I'd like to show you why angle A is equal to angle P and why angle C is equal to angle Q. Now before we get started we need to know a couple of things. That all the angles inside a triangle, a two-dimensional triangle, add up to 180 degrees, and all the angles inside a two-dimensional rectangle or square add up to 360 degrees. Now, knowing that line L1 is parallel to line L2, and knowing that these two grey lines right here are perpendicular to L1, we can say that this angle here is 90 degrees, and that this angle here is 90 degrees. And we can say that this corner right here is 90 degrees, and that this corner right here is 90 degrees. Knowing that this corner right here is 90 degrees, we can say that this smaller angle here is 90 degrees minus P. And we can say that this small angle here, because this corner is 90 degrees, this small angle here is 90 degrees minus Q. Now, since the angles in this right angle triangle right here all add up to 180 degrees, we know that C plus 90 degrees, so that's this C here plus 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees minus Q equals 180 degrees. So this is 90 degrees minus Q. And from here, we can write down C plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus Q is 180 degrees, which is C plus 180 degrees minus Q is 180 degrees. And if we send this positive 180 degrees to this side here, to the right hand side, we know that 180 degrees minus 180 degrees is 0. So we get C minus Q equals 0. Therefore, C is equal to Q. Now, we found out that C is equal to Q. Now we have to prove that A is equal to P. We can do this by using a similar equation. So A plus 90 degrees, so that's this A plus 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees minus P is 180 degrees. And from here we get A plus 180 degrees minus P equals 180 degrees. Sending this 180 to the other side, this 180 degrees to the other side, we get 180 degrees minus 180, which is 0. So we get A minus P equals 0. Therefore, A is equal to P. So this is how we prove that A, the angle A right here, is equal to the angle P, and the angle C is equal to the angle Q right here.